We have some big breaking coming in from Maharashtra. Sources reveal that Maharashtra ATS, Anti-Terror Squad, suspects that deceased owner of Scorpio car found near Ambani's house, Hiren Mansukh, was sedated using chloroform and then smothered to death. The post-mortem report of Hiren suggested that there were abrasion wounds on his face, and these were part of the post-mortem report. ATS officials suspect that these wounds had happened on the face of Hiren as he tried to resist when chloroform was being administered forcibly on his nose by the accused involved. In fact, the investigation suspected that once the chloroform was administered on Hiren, minutes after that he lost his control and was allegedly smothered to death after that. Sources reveal that the anti-terror squad believed that suspended cop Sachin Vase was present during that crime. Now, after yesterday's court order case, the case has now been transferred to NIA, and NIA has now taken custody of two more accused there who've been arrested. Divesh Singh joining us live for more details on that. Divesh, some shocking, gory details coming to fore here on Hiren Mansukh's death. Here, the ATS suspects that he may have been sedated using chloroform and then smothered to death, and also Sachin Vase could likely be present during the crime scene. What more do we know? Give us in detail.
Nabila, the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad was investigating the murder of Mansukh Hiren after it was registered in Thane, and then it was transferred to ATS for investigation. ATS, remember, had arrested ex-police constable Vinayak Shinde and a bookie named Naresh Gaur, both aides of Sachin Vase. Both had been working for Sachin Vase, and post their interrogation, they suspected that chloroform was administered on Mansukh Hiren because he refused to cooperate, refused to abide by what Sachin Vase had asked him to do. Sachin Vase had asked him to surrender. Sachin Vase had asked him to confess regarding planting of explosives near Antilia, and that is what Mansukh Hiren had told his brother and his family members also. And because he refused and he suspected that it all could bring to light regarding Vase's involvement in planting of explosive, in planting of the threat letter near Antilia, Vase got him bumped up, got him eliminated with the help of Vinayak Shinde, Naresh Gaur and few others. A chloroform was administered of him, and after that Mansukh Hiren was smothered in a vehicle, and that is why ATS was seizing multiple vehicles, and all these vehicles were being analyzed by forensic experts to find traces, if any, inside the vehicle. There was a Volvo SUV that was seized by ATS recently.
Divesh, thank you very much for joining us. Very shocking details that's coming to fore. Chloroform may have been used to make him unconscious, and right after that he was smothered to death. And more importantly, ATS believes that Sachin Vase could have indeed been present during the murder.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.